welcome back my people, welcome back my viewers, welcome back my subscribers. How no all doing? Hope no all doing great, So when you know what they doing, so just do the doing, And viewers and subscribers, oh now bash me so. Come on, man, take on your time with man. Just through the one little word I'm call one little asphalt. Me done with it from today, Call it a day, me done with it. You know, I hear that word out of my mouth again. The only thing we now go hear is either paving. Either me use paving or me use Barber Green. Yeah, one out of the two. If I no paving, me I say a Barber Green. Done it asphalt. Now I say nothing more like that again. Okay, viewers. Anyway, give thanks still, to keep me on the right track. That to know to make me say the right thing and do the right thing. So big up on yourself also, viewers. Yeah, man, cause we easy for curving, man. Our ass, man. We're not stubborn, man. You see me? So big up each and everyone that playing their part by growing this channel. You see me? I say, yeah, man, big up on yourself, cause enough for your channel growing, Yeah. So by make we know the right thing. So big up on yourself, okay, viewers? Manners. Anyway, today now we are going to update because no one may not know how the pipe thing set up and going how it run. So today we are going to make see how it all set up underground. You get what I say, viewers? So they have some little pipe system or them never have the finish run. They never have the finish run the pipe run a Banana River here, so heading to Cedar Valley. So what they do today now, they finish it up to complete the pipe thing so that when they're ready, the water from Cedar Valley to Trinity can transfer very freely. You understand me as a viewer? So right now we are up on the scene, come and see everything we are going. So just stay tuned and continue watching videos. So you know what they do, So just do the do. Okay? Viewers and subscribers, if you're new, I would love you to subscribe to my channel. Do so for you. Just turn on the notification bell, put it on all so that when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed on the video. Watch it out for me now, viewers. Manners and thanks are doing so. As me say with the Banana River, St. Thomas to be exact. This road take you to Cedar Valley and back from Cedar Valley also to Trinityville. So what am I doing around here? So right now, viewers and subscribers, the pipe, them never finished lay the pipe system around here. So then we carry it halfway and stop. So what am I doing now? Them are complete. Them are join the two end together so that when them turn on the water from Cedar Valley, it can go straight to Trinityville. So in order for you to see it, continue watching the video. Okay, viewers, I hope you all enjoyed. Bless upon yourself. Continue watch. So viewers and subscribers, as you can see, that's a 6-inch underneath down in the ground there, 6-inch pipe. That's why you have 6-inch taking the water from Cedar Valley to Trinityville. So the destination where it stops is Danvers Pen Bridge. Okay, so I don't know if they are going to take it from there, sir, but that's where it stops for now, down at Danvers Pen Bridge. So when them turn it on from Cedar Valley, in case maybe it's about 2 or 3 days where Cedar Valley people water are going low, because in order to full the line from Cedar Valley to Danvers Pen Bridge. So when you reach Danvers Pen Bridge and full now, it will bounce back and come back in at the 2-inch where the laterals them are going to feed from. The laterals is the pipe that go into the yard where the community feed off, where people and feed off. You get what I say, viewers? So as open to understand, as you can see, that's a 6-inch. So what am I doing? Them have a sanit also. So that's what them doing. So just continue watch the video so you can get the full understanding of what's going on. Viewers and subscribers. You get what I say? So bless up to each and everyone, Mothers. Yes, viewers. So the next thing that I would like all to know, right? You have one time gone, when the usual dig the road, to connect pipe to yard or them something there, or to anywhere at all. Then we have a bus road. Now them no need to do that again, viewers, because this pipe system what them implement is on the left and it's on the right. It's on both sides. So that simply means to say if somebody on the left want water, you don't need to bust it to go across the right to give him water, because a pipe already there on the left. So if somebody on the left want water, a pipe is there on the left. If somebody on the right want water, a pipe is there also on the right. So them run pipe on the 2 sides. So you got the 6-inch on this side and you have the 4-inch on the next side. I don't know why them use 2 different sizes of pipe still, but me I tell you so you know exactly where I'm going. So if I even 40 here when come here, you know the pipe system run on it there. Get what I say, viewers? So we say continue watch video because we will show no more details, going on more details, and we're going to see more. You get what I say, viewers? Bless up, and the company that responds for this pipe system is Bacchus. I don't know where they locate from, for Spanish town or one of them places, but it's Bacchus Response Suite. Simit get the contract, sub it down to Bacchus. Okay, viewers, see the pipe them here as you can look and see, 6 inches. So continue watch the video, much more for you to see and learn and know. So viewers and subscribers, family subs, let's show you how it all began. First of all, the backhoe have to dig a thing like trench, gullyard trench, I don't know what you may call it, and lay the pipe. So in case you never know, well, watch it from here so now and you will get the full understanding of exactly how everything take place, how the pipe them situate underground. Okay, viewers and subscribers, we like going into details, of the full understanding. We try our best to make have the full understanding that we can. Now we can't show you everything, but when we can, we can. So as I see, the gentleman have to sand it before a pipe even think about to lay down or put a pipe in it. He must sand it. And sand it properly too, he must sand it properly. Okay, viewers and subscribers, so as I said, the backhoe dig it. Now the gentleman has sand it. So now is the time. So the backhoe I come with the pipe now. So that pipe when I come in now, I have a lie down in the hole of the backhoe. Just dig, viewers and subscribers. So in order for you to see, just continue watch the video and you will see more. Okay? Bless you. So my people, listen now. This is what I'm going to do right now is that you see more lamp on the head of the pipe. So what I'm going to do is rub some glue or something I rub in it. Understand? Because there's a rubber system right there where him can't make it too dry when I suck it if the rubber I go move. So I rub some lubricant on it so it can get moist. So when I push it in, as you can see, I push it in the next pipe. I suck it in the next pipe. Okay, viewers, so I'm going to rub the lubricant on it so it can get for easy the next pipe. It can slide on the next pipe with ease. Without, if the rubber move, you have to take it off because that's going to leak. You understand me, viewers? As you can see, him sand the ground and him put in the pipe. Now the backhoe itself now, I go push up the pipe, I go suck it to my drive. If I pull off, the thing is the backhoe itself, I go push it up and suck it in. So as I say, I just continue watch the video because we like going into details, Yeah, man, you can call me Mr. Details, man. So big up to all my viewers and my subscribers. So as you can see, family subs, the backhoe about to suck it now, the backhoe push it up. And the next pipe, push up this pipe and the next pipe, okay? So that him done, that done completely so. Okay, viewers, so that's how the pipe thing take place underground. Viewers and subscribers, in case you never know, I hope you all enjoy this video. So just continue watch the video, more for you to see. Bless up. So after all of that now is the time for them to sand it, to throw sand on it, because you can't throw dirt on it in viewers, because remember in the dirt there's a lot of stone. So if you throw the dirt on it, the stone will go up on the pipe, and as soon as anything heavy drive on it, will bust the pipe. So you have to throw sand on it first before you put the dirt on it. So that's what I'm doing now. And the sand have to be more than 6 inch, no less than 6 inches thick on it. That's how everything take place underground. Hope you all enjoyed. First time seeing it, comment down in the comment section. Let me know, viewers and subscribers, what you think. Is the lane of the pipe laying the right way? You know a better way, different from what them do? Remember, speak your mind in the comment section. Bless up. Well, what the gentleman them do, they must spread the sand right across. Because the backwarders come dump it out, but the gentleman them must spread it right across the pipe, as you can see, viewers. Well, same place run a Bamboo River, viewers. Tear this wall now, because you have this side of the road what it tear away. But if any big unit pass, then can't drive on this side, they have to drive to the bank inside, because here so that tear away. So what them do, they make this wall. It's not quite finished as yet, but as you can see, it's 3/4 journey. You get what I say, viewers? Almost there, almost finished. It's just the top part them we put on. As you can see, viewers and sub same person on Bamboo River. Yes, so beside Mr. Black or up and near to Mr. Black. Same road that take you to Cedar Valley. So remember, the developmental center must continue. Viewers and subscribers. So viewers and subscribers, as we bring it to you, giving an update. Banana River heading to Cedar Valley. Yes, some pipe did they want about the finish run. So them finish run the pipe there now. That them a finish up the pipe run the pipe there. So when them finish, because the pipe did stop little bit top sideways, them around the pipe and it stop a little bit down more the road. Get what I say? I don't know if you want to call here, so near to New Monkland this way. Get what I say, viewers? Cedar Valley Center. So we say the development continue, you know. This is the mobile will take me around to places I want to go places. This is my mobile. Yeah. You understand me as a viewers and subscribers? Yes, never shown you before. This is my mobile will take me to give you all those videos that on the scene. Yeah, that's the mobile that take me to places, you know. Anyway, as me I say, viewers and subscribers, now that we bring it to them, I couldn't see that update. So finish up the pipe lane now, and then complete the pipe thing, so water can flow from Cedar Valley to Trintyville. And remember, no more asphalt whatever you want to call it. I don't know more than talking there again. From now on going forward, paving Barber Green. Straightforward. Anyway, thanks for all of you update me and tell me the right thing. See and we are still viewers. Yeah man, thank you. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, welcome on. And if you leave a like, thank you very much for doing so. You watch out to add something. Blessed man. Leave a comment. Yes man, get active there man. That's where you should get active down in the comment section. So we say, see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. Right, just so the Barber Green stop, you know. Yeah man. Right here, so you can't tell anybody. That is Mr. Black Factory over there. See it right here, so the Barber Green stop. So in case you never know, right here it stop, right at Mr. Black Factory. Now I talk about no more hassle. Right here, so the Barber Green stop. Right here, so the pavement stop. I can see viewers. Okay? Bless up, you know. See you people in the next video, you know. See you travel upon the gravel. I'm out.